What up, friends, family? It's your boy Keeks the Cultureholic, aka KTC for short. Hey, this is a real quick video. Forgive me if it sounds kind of rough. We really have time to edit it. Let's find out this information. So, like the thumbnail says, did StockX, why did you lie to us? 6.8 million users, info that's now in jeopardy. So the question is, did they let us down? How do you guys as the sneaker community feel about this? Feel free to judge your opinion in the comments. But man, like, I mean, think about this. Somebody could have your credit card information and like 3 years from now just start racking up charges. I don't know if people are gonna think about if it's gonna go a lawsuit route with this. It's really crazy. And you know, they sent the email out that you had to change your password and log back in. I mean, look here, 2019, stuff gets hacked every day. Like, just own up to it. If they would have just told us that, hey, you know, you might want to look for fraudulent information on your credit cards or whatever. But to lie and say, oh, we're just doing upgrades, but really almost 8 million, 7 million people's card information got hacked. I don't know. It's ridiculous. I don't know. I mean, it's crazy. 6.8 million. That's a lot of people. Think about this too. If lawsuits actually start happening out of this could cripple them as a company. This could be the death of StockX. I don't know, man. That's woo. StockX would want to be you right now. No, sir.
Some real cool, fresh sneakers. Go to the store, try on them J's, but I couldn't keep them, cause my mama really couldn't afford them. She got me the Adidas.